Hi, I'm Rachel Utuzis, and I'm going to show you how to make old dresser drawers glide out. If you want to make dresser drawers glide, the best thing to use is wax. You can do this by having a bar of soap or a candle, and you want to find the track and rub the wax on all the parts of the track that touch each other and that glide on each other. Then, when you close it, you'll see that it's much easier. It's a really quick, easy way to make old furniture seem new again. And this will work on really anything where you have two wood surfaces rubbing against each other. Instead of having so much friction, if you want them to glide better, just rub a little bit of wax on it. And this will also keep it from being so noisy. You may have to reapply the wax, maybe once a year, or, it just depends on how often you use it and how often it's opened. If you have an older dresser, the drawers may not already have a track built into them. A lot of times the drawers just sat inside the space made for them. In that case, you would need to find wherever the wood is rubbing against other wood and rub the wax on that area. Just rub it on this part and on the other part, and it should glide perfectly. I'm Rachel Utuzis, and that is how you make old dresser drawers glide out.